Hi, my name is Kellyanne. I'm Client Services Manager here at Koozai. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the crawl path report in Screaming Frog. We often get asked how the SEO Spider discovered a URL or how to view the inlinks to a particular URL. Generally, the quickest way is by clicking on the URL in question in the top window and then using the Inlinks tab at the bottom, which populates the lower window pane. But sometimes it's not always that simple to find the originating source, or perhaps the page wasn't discovered via a HTML anchor but a canonical link element. This is where the crawl path report is useful. Simply right-click on a URL, go to Export, and then Crawl Path Report. Save the crawl path report, and then open the crawl path report. You can then view exactly how a URL was discovered in a crawl.